Okay, this is on a 2018 Honda Accord. Basically what they're ripping off from this car is they're leaving the car 4 bricks and taking your rims and tires. They finally changed the screws on the side of the steering for as far as the airbag goes. They have like a special tool now that you have to have it in order to remove the airbags in the 2018. But it's only a matter of time before somebody comes out with a knockoff tool to remove those airbags. But so far you're pretty much safe as far as that goes. I haven't heard anything, any of the customers complaining about airbag theft for the 2018. But they have left them on 4 brakes because of these 19-inch tires. Basically, when you're on the system, okay, you're gonna have that red light on the dash. That red light is from factory. It starts flashing like that, and basically when it changes the way it flashes, the alarm will be ready for you. This is a shock sensor add-on, so therefore he doesn't have to get another alarm, because this has to, you know, when you walk up to the car you can grab the handle and all that. So he didn't want to carry an extra remote control, which I don't blame the guy. So we did the shock sensor add-on. So in other words, we incorporate everything like if we would have installed an aftermarket alarm, but without having to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the wheel, and the alarm will fire off. We'll go ahead and hit unlock on the remote control, and basically he'll get the push. We took it a notch further. He wanted to get the cellular module, so when it does fire off, he gets the push notification in his phone. Because what happens is, if you live in apartments, you might not hear that horn honking. So this thing works out great. So when it does fire off, you get the alert in your phone. Should be coming in shortly. All depends on the server. Sometimes it comes in quicker than other times, but normally it shouldn't be no more than a minute. You should be able to get that notification coming in. There it is right there. Okay, it's just a push notification that lets you know when the alarm was triggered. It's pretty odd that it took this long. Normally it comes in a hell of a lot quicker than that. Maybe it's the area where we're at. Maybe AT&T is not the strongest, but it should come in within 40 seconds. It took a little longer. I don't know why. I guess because I'm doing a video for the car. If I wasn't doing a video, it would have came in 3 seconds. But anyway, this shock sensor add-on with this cellular module, it's installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. The numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.